Hello and welcome back to the 3B Kids of Texas channel.
The both of you.
Today we are going to make a dish from Colorado. It's found in our United States of America cookbook. This is where Colorado is located, and this is a better look at the state. The pink represents the Rocky Mountains. What do you know about the state of Colorado? They have snow in the mountains and they are known for skiing there.
Yeah, and I like the ski lift.
Go check out our Breckenridge video. They have the Royal Gorge, also a video you can check out on our channel.
They have also daylight donuts there.
The capital of Colorado is Denver. It's known as the Centennial State. It became a state 100 years after the Declaration of Independence was signed. With the Rocky Mountains and Pikes Peak, you can go hiking, you can go skiing, and all other activities.
And there's a lot of national parks.
Let's get to our Cowboy Charro Beans. First, we started out with 1 pound dry pinto beans. We covered them with water and soaked them overnight. We sliced up some bacon to heat up in a pan. In a Dutch oven or a heavy pot, put 3/4 pound bacon in a warm pot to cook. This will take about 5 minutes to brown. Let's add 1 large yellow onion. We want the onion to be tender and golden brown. We need to put in 7 cups of water. Add the soaked beans. Add a whole head of garlic. We chop those up.
Now it's time to add jalapenos if you want to. Take 4 spoons at a time. 2 bay leaves. 1 teaspoon of salt and fresh oregano.
Bring all of this to a boil over high heat. Then reduce to a simmer and cook until the beans are tender, about 2 to 3 hours. Once that's done, remove the bay leaves, herb sprigs, and serve. Bon appetit! Don't forget to check out our travel videos. We'll show you different parts of Colorado. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Be good! Love you!
And
We meant close the drapes.